Are you over 60? If so, your kidneys might be under a lot of silent stress. It's something many seniors unknowingly ignore. But what if I told you that simply adding the right vegetables to your diet could help detoxify, protect, and even support the healing of your kidneys naturally? Stick around, because today we're revealing the top 5 vegetables that can make a huge difference for your kidney health. First, let's understand why this is so important. As we age, our kidney function naturally begins to decline. This isn't just about your kidneys. It impacts your blood pressure, your heart health, and even your daily energy levels. Poor kidney health can lead to serious issues like chronic kidney disease, or CKD. But the good news is, proper nutrition can significantly slow this decline and reduce your risks. It's about empowering yourself with the right foods. So, let's dive into our top 5 kidney healing heroes. Coming in at number 1, red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a fantastic choice because they are incredibly low in potassium, which is a key concern for anyone with kidney issues. They are bursting with vitamin C, vitamin A, and powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation throughout your body, especially in your kidneys. Think of them as a gentle, natural detoxifier that also boosts your immune system. They're colorful, they're crunchy, and they're one of the best things you can eat for your kidney health. Next on our list is a humble but mighty vegetable, cabbage. Don't underestimate this leafy green. Cabbage is packed with vitamins K and C, as well as fiber. More importantly, it contains special compounds called phytonutrients that actively help your kidneys filter and remove harmful toxins from your bloodstream. Just like red bell peppers, cabbage is low in potassium, making it a safe and reliable choice for a kidney-friendly diet. Whether you add it to a salad or a light stir-fry, cabbage is working hard for you. Our third kidney-friendly powerhouse is cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is another winner. It's high in fiber, which is great for digestion, and it's another excellent source of vitamin C. What makes cauliflower special for kidneys are its compounds, including indoles, which support the body's natural detoxification processes. It helps your liver and kidneys work together to clear out waste. Plus, it's low in potassium and can be steamed, roasted, or even mashed as a delicious, kidney-safe substitute for potatoes. Now, let's talk about flavor and function with our number 4 pick, garlic. Garlic is more than just a way to add incredible taste to your food. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. Chronic inflammation can damage kidneys over time, and garlic helps to reduce that inflammation. It has also been shown to help lower blood pressure, which takes a significant strain off your kidneys. Using garlic allows you to enhance the flavor of your meals without reaching for the salt shaker, which is one of the most important changes you can make for kidney health. Rounding out our top 5 is the ever-reliable onion. Similar to garlic, onions are rich in powerful flavonoids, particularly one called quercetin. Quercetin is a potent antioxidant known for its ability to reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that support your body's detoxification pathways, giving your kidneys an extra layer of protection. They are low in potassium and add a wonderful depth of flavor to almost any savory dish, making them an essential part of a kidney-conscious diet. So, you have these 5 amazing vegetables. But how should you prepare them to get the most benefit? The key is to be gentle. Lightly steaming, sautéing, or roasting are the best methods to preserve their delicate nutrients. Overcooking can destroy the very vitamins and antioxidants you need. And please, avoid drenching them in heavy, salty sauces or processed dressings. Instead, try seasoning them with kidney-friendly herbs like parsley, or a pinch of turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. How much should you be eating? A good goal is to aim for 2 to 3 servings of these kidney-supporting vegetables every single day. And don't just stick to one. Rotating through red bell peppers, cabbage, cauliflower, garlic, and onions ensures you get a wide variety of nutrients and antioxidants. Your body thrives on diversity. Let's quickly recap the amazing benefits. By incorporating these vegetables, you're actively reducing kidney inflammation and oxidative stress. You're supporting healthy blood pressure levels, which is crucial for long-term kidney function. You are helping your body flush out toxins naturally and protecting yourself against the progression of chronic kidney disease. The result? More energy, a stronger immune system, and better overall health as you enjoy your senior years. Now, let's talk about a few common mistakes that seniors often make. A big one is overcooking vegetables, which, as we mentioned, destroys their nutritional value. Another is ignoring the potassium content in foods. While potassium is a necessary mineral, for those with compromised kidney function, too much can be dangerous. That's why our top 5 list is so great. They are all low in potassium. Also, be mindful of hidden salt in processed foods and sauces. Always choose whole foods when you can. And remember, supplements can't replace the complex benefits of eating these vegetables whole. For some extra credit, what other vegetables can you rotate into your diet? Kale is a great option, but it is higher in potassium, so it should be eaten in moderation, especially if you've been advised to watch your potassium levels. Cooked spinach is another good one. Cooking it helps reduce oxalates, making it easier on your system. Carrots are also fantastic for their antioxidant content and fiber. Your kidneys have worked tirelessly for you your entire life. Now, especially after 60, it's time to give them the support they need to keep you healthy and vibrant. By feeding them these simple, powerful vegetables, you can protect, detoxify, and help them thrive for years to come. It's a simple change that delivers a powerful, positive impact on your health. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more senior health tips to help you live your best life. We'll see you in the next video.